TH has two sounds. The voice sound, the, and the unvoiced sound, th, th. Now we can hear the voice sound at the beginning of functional words like the, this, that, then, there. We can also hear the voice sound at the end of the word that has a magical E. Bathe, clothe. If there is no E, it is bath, cloth. But here, when there is a E, it's bathe. It has the voice sound. When TH comes between two vowels, it has the voice sound. Mother, between O and E. Brother, between O and E. And the remaining words, TH has an unvoiced sound like thunder, thumb, think, theatre, thought. If you learned something new today, follow us for more.